Hey everyone, John here, staff software engineer with over 10 years of experience. I'm the lead maintainer of Latterly.io. That's an open source tech career acceleration platform. And we just closed out Q1 of 2025, added many exciting features. So in this video, I'll be covering a site walkthrough, including free and premium features. So let's start with free features. So I'm currently signed in to Latterly.io. When you first sign in, one feature is the standard checklist, which will help you learn to code, build a portfolio, and land your first or next programming role. We can go to the blog under the Grow tab, and we'll see a mix of free and premium articles. So you can view the free articles as a free member or a site guest, and you can also read the benefits of free membership article for more detail. In fact, there are 7 benefits to free members, including 3 that are available to site guests. And so I'll quickly go through these, and you can always circle back to the article for more detail. So Latterly Perks has thousands of dollars in benefits from vetted partners. These are places that I have used or recommend. So I'm a member of Taro, and they were kind to implement a partnership program with a discount. I used Codecademy. It was the tool that helped me break into tech years and years ago. You can get 50% off Codecademy with Latterly Perks. And Career Foundry can place you into a guaranteed programming role. So really valuable stuff here. You can save money. You can also save time. So another perk that I like to shout out is Poplin Laundry Service. Okay, so Latterly Perks, free articles, and then the third one, even available to guests without even registering for an account. The third one is going to be the community Discord server. So the article says, since you're here, you can click this link, but the typical place that you'll go to join the Discord server is under the community dropdown. The difference between a free tier and a guest is just whether you log in. So if you log in, then you're a free member. And in fact, you need to become a free member before you're able to become a premium member. That's just the way that the payment system is set up today. You have the ability to create a public community profile once you sign up. This is beneficial because you can mark that you're open to work. You can add your contact information here, and recruiters will often visit the community profile. You can connect with these people who are open to network, and you can mention your own networking interests. You can visit the settings page and come down here, and you can mention your degree, your years of experience, your networking reasons, skills, and so on, whether you're open to relocation and so on. Third is that you can access the LeetCode tool. And so this tool was initially created as a premium feature, and today I'm happy to announce that it's available free. So I won't dive deep into everything this tool does, but basically it helps you practice LeetCode hand in hand with the best practices defined in the Latterly standard LeetCode kata. And then last will be the ability to register for feature access and exclusive events. So here you're on your user settings. If you scroll to the bottom, it says features and interests. And you can say, hey, I'm interested in an expert-led small group. Or you can check whatever you want. You can check these different boxes. And if a bunch of people sign up and say, hey, we're all interested in an expert-led small group, that actually triggers the creation of a cohort. So that is the last free tier benefit. Let's go to the premium benefits. So a cool one is Latterly Copilot. Copilot is an AI tool that's trained on all the Latterly data. So if you're like searching for an article and you don't want to like click through the blog, you can just ask the Copilot. If you want it to help you with a mock interview, if you want it to help you with your resume, all of these things, the Latterly Copilot is available to help. Journaling is good for your mental health. It can help you brag, keep track of your wins on the job so that come promotion time, performance review time, or when you're ready to interview, you can click a button and craft some behavioral interviews out of the notes to self that you've taken. These notes to self can be personal or professional. You can see I have some sort of mock data here, but you can note wins, pain points, learnings, and other kinds of journaling entries. And then you can mark them as personal or professional, career related. And that will help you never forget about your impact on the job, but then also improve your work-life balance and your personal life so that you're always working towards your long-term goals on and off the job. Premium articles, I think these are really cool. One of my favorites right now is the time management techniques. So these time management techniques, I think they more than pay for premium alone. They give you time back, hours and hours back each month. For me, that's worth a lot. I guess it's, different people value their time differently, but for me, this article alone is worth the cost of premium. There's a premium checklist, I'll get to that momentarily, and then the last interesting one is the job search tool. So the Latterly premium checklist, right here, this is how you access it on the homepage. It's called the advanced checklist here. And it has a bunch of evidence-based practices such as LinkedIn Premium or how to use massive AI. So it's really just an information share with tools that will improve the performance of your job search. And then the job search tool replaces a spreadsheet. So even as a guest, you can go to the blog and access a spreadsheet, job search spreadsheet tools under blog article 9, how to optimize your resume in LinkedIn. This is available to guests, okay? And then you can access this spreadsheet, which helps you track your applications and understand your application to interview ratio. If you change the version of your resume, you can do data analysis to A/B test versions of your resume, which is resulting in the best proportion of interviews. You can also A/B test messaging strategies. So if you reach out to different points of contact using different talking points, are certain ways of framing the message more effective? Are you performing better with certain job titles? And so on. With the spreadsheet, a lot of this analysis is enabled, but it's somewhat difficult. You have to download the CSV and you have to know how to do that kind of thing. With the job search tool, you get those benefits with a better user experience. And then you can also archive your job search and refer back to, last year or a few years ago, which you could do with spreadsheets, but here it's kind of in a nice single pane of glass, kind of a one-stop shop. I hope this site walkthrough was interesting. Remember that Latterly is open source. If you have a feature request, you can come over here to the GitHub and create an issue. You're also welcome to contribute to solving issues, and you can browse the Issues tab for good first issues, or you can always visit our community Discord and either bring your questions about how to contribute or bring your questions. Maybe there is something missing in the feature set, or if you have questions about the feature set. Either way, would love to meet you and chat with you over on the Discord. If you found this video interesting, like it, subscribe to the YouTube channel, consider sharing it with a friend. See you next time.